I have a Jeep Rubicon here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner.
I have a Jeep Rubicon here. This one got hit down the side and it's getting 2 new doors, and then it damaged this B post right here. You can see that's all pushed in. Then it also damaged this quarter panel rocker area right here. This is shoved down and in, and this is shoved down and in. Now what I'm gonna have to do on this one, this is stout thick metal. I'm gonna have to weld a tab on this to make a pull in order to work that out. And also right here, right where this edge is supposed to be, it's flattened out, but I'm gonna have to put a tab on that and pull on it to work that back into shape. So, and then it has 2 new OEM doors, and then it has a little repair work on the fender, which is pretty minor. It's from the fender flare getting pushed, and it kind of dented the fender throughout this area. You might not be able to see it, so I'm gonna dive into this one. So being this is some pretty thick sheet metal right here, I had to weld a couple tabs on this just to get the bulk of it started. So I'm gonna make a couple really light pulls on this just to kind of bring it out. Shit. Alright, let's see how we're looking here. Looks like my gap is looking pretty good. There's a little bit of shaping I need to do still, but it's getting very close. I'm going to go ahead and fit the front door as well. So I'm getting these gaps looking pretty good. This front door is looking pretty decent now. I'm gonna do a little more. I'm gonna put another coat of fill right here. It's slight, door's barely sticking out, just slightly. So I'm gonna do a little more work right there. Then it will be ready for a glaze coat. So the bottom edge of this door right here was rolled a little bit, probably during transport. I already kind of hammered it back out when it was on the car. I'm gonna straighten this out the rest of the way. Alright, well I got this one looking really good. The quarter panel flare fits nicely. All of my door gaps look nice and consistent and even. And then there's a little repair on the fender. This one's ready for a glaze coat, which is just like a thin finishing coat that'll go over all of the body filler. But I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna send this one over to Eric to do that glaze coat and finish this one out and get it primed up. And I'm gonna dive into my next one, which this is what I'll have coming for you guys tomorrow. This one got a really badly damaged rocker panel, ripped it wide open right here. So this will be tomorrow's project. I'm getting some stuff taken apart on it the rest of the way right now. And so stay tuned.